welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a MacBook Pro giveaway right now. The rules are subscribe to this channel, Nicole Jacklyn, and my vlog channel, Nicole Jacklyn Vlogs. And go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both are at Nicole Jacklyn. And the giveaway ends pretty soon. I haven't set a date yet, but like a week and a half-ish. We'll see what happens. I'm not quite sure yet, but yeah. This video to 10,500 thumbs up right now. Go down below, give it a thumbs up for more slime videos and more slime review videos because they're my favorite videos to film. And I'm just so excited because there's so much fun to film and I love them so much. I posted a recreating your Musical.ly video yesterday. You guys seem to like that a lot. So comment down below your Musical.ly username because I want to do another one really soon. And I kind of want to react to my cringy Musical.lys. Comment down below if I should because wow, that is a cesspool in itself. Let's hop right into this review video and yeah. Alright guys, so my first famous slime shop that I'm reviewing is Blushing BB Slimes. And can I just say that the fact that I got my hands on one of her slimes made me almost cry. Like, I love her so much. She's so creative. I think she's gonna go so far in the slime industry. First we have this care sheet that says thank you for your purchase, and we have this really cute covering over it with some Sour Patch Kids and some borax. Honestly, this is really cute. I don't commonly see packages with this kind of sheet, I mean this like size of sheet. I think it's really nice. Well done. And now I'm just so excited to hop into the slime. This one is called oh, look at how gorgeous it is. This is real life, people. Real life, my friends. This one is called Snow Cream Crunch Enchanted Sea Foam. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm so excited to open this. Like, what? Whoa, look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Oh crap, I'm gonna combine them. Oh wow, this set is super nice. I'm gonna definitely need some activator, but look at how pretty and crunchy this is. Like, I'm a little bit shook right now. I'm trying to activate it while keeping it kind of mixed or kind of separated because I want to do a cool swirl. The slime is so crunchy. Okay, next up we have Big Boy Slime Shop. I'm so excited. Look at all these extras. We have a Daiso clay, a full-size white Daiso clay. I'm so thankful for that. So exciting. Oh, I love how this is so beautiful. And then we have this squishy. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my god. Always, always promote yourself. Oh crap, I'm gonna ruin it probably. Okay, didn't ruin it. We're good. Oh, this squishy's so nice. It's so pretty. Look at her squish. Yes, iconic. I love. And then we have, there's so many nice extras. We have these 3 little putties of slime. I love this slime putty. I think it's so nice. We have a little ball with some glitter, a little bouncy ball. We love bouncy balls. This grass is like stuck to my I have some slime on my hands and I get stuck to it. Whoops. Okay, let's get the slime out of here. This first one is called Choco Cherries. It's not opened. I opened it prior to see how it was doing, if it had to be activated, so I was prepared for this video. So it wasn't this. I promise it was packaged. Okay, this next one is called Pineapple Babe. Okay, we love I just like dropped that by accident. We love a queen. Oh my gosh, we have some extra borax in here. And we have a note. Hey, hey, hey. I bet you it's, ooh yeah, thank you. We do enjoy, oh yeah, Instagram, Big Boy Slime Shop. Go follow, my friends. This one is called Pink Champagne. This looks so cool, so pretty. It's so pretty. And this one is called Cookies and Peach. Oh, yeah, I love these slime names. They're so different and so fun. Those are really cute little jewel gem things inside of it. Okay, first up we have the slime called Cookies and Peach. It looks so beautiful and so nice. Oh wow, the scent smells just like Captain Crunch almost. This is so incredible. It has a nice like cornstarch kind of like thick feel. Add a little bit of borax on top there. Just a smidge. So nice and so pretty. This is incredible. It's so crunchy and so nice. Okay, next we have the slime called Cocoa Cherries, and it looks so nice. Oh, it smells just like cherries, and it has a nice like butter slime feel. Oh, wow. That's so nice. The cherries are so big that I can't like poke it all the way, but it's totally fine. It feels so nice still. Just a tiny bit of borax. This is super nice. I love the texture. Nice still. I love it. It smells just like cherries. It smells so good. Next slime is called Pineapple Babe. Yes, honey, you are a pineapple babe. It smells just like pineapple. If the 8 ounces had this many of the balls, it'd be I think it'd be cool. But I do love how this feels. It's so pineapple-y. I love it. Alright, you guys, if I should do more slime review videos, comment down below. Go enter my MacBook Pro giveaway, subscribe. It's all linked down below. And yeah, guys, I will see you with a new video very soon. My eye is twitching because of finals week. I'm about to take 2 finals in like 2 hours, and I'm like, hey. But yeah, guys, I'll see you really soon with a new video. And yeah, bye guys. I love you so much. Bye. Peace out.